point is the cyprotropes. What is cyprotropes? Cyprotropes. What is cyprotropes? The organisms undergoing this mode of nutrition are known as the cyprotropes. Fluffy umbrella-like patches growing on rooting woods during the rainy seasons. You might have seen the packets of mushrooms sold in vegetable markets. It's a structure like fluffy umbrella-like patches is undergoing. These patches is growing on rooting woods. Which season are growing? Rainy seasons. Some examples of cyprotropes. Mushroom. The packet of mushrooms. This is examples of packet of mushroom. These fungal spores are present in air and grow as dark patches on the food items or other items. Mushroom growing on decay materials like forest, some seasons like rainy seasons. तब क्या होता है, मशरूम ग्रो करता है डिक्ले मटेरियल का यूज़ करके. Next is activity. Take a piece of bread and moisten it with waters. Leave it in moist warm places 2 or 3 days until fluffy patches appear on them. Most probably, you will see the cotton-like threads spread on the pieces of bread. This organism is called a fungus. Now take a piece of bread and moisten it with waters. Now through 2 or 3 days until fluffy patches appear on them. These patches may be white, green, brown or any other colors. And to observe the patches under the microscope, otherwise magnifying glass, there are these types of colors. This type of color fungi growing on the bread. Cyprotrophic nutrition, a mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain nutrition from dead and decaying matter, is called the cyprotrophic nutrition. For example, fungi is one type of examples of cyprotrophic nutrition. Plants which has used cyprotrophic mode of nutrition is called as cyprotropes. Example, fungi also grown in pickles, lathers, clothes and other articles that are left in hot and humid weather for long times. It occurs in cyprotropes and most often associated with the fungus and soil bacteria. The fungal spores are generally present in the air. Can you figure out how can we protect our things for getting spoiled? Yes, some organisms to gather and parasites and nutrients. This called a cyprotrophic relationship. For example, fungi living the roots of trees is examples of cyprotrophic nutrition. Next point is cyprotrophic relationship. Some organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. This called a cyprotrophic relationship. For example, certain fungi live in the roots of trees. Examples of lichens, where a symbiotic relations exist between the alga and fungus. Chlorophylls containing partner, which is an alga and fungus, live together. Alga plus fungus living together is called a lichens. So, symbiotic relationship is examples of lichens. Fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to alga, and in return the alga provide the food which is prepared by a photosynthesis.